Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and Samsung has announced the launch of their QLED TVs for 2018 in India. The TVs are 4K HDR enabled, ranging from 55-inch all the way to 75 inches. The QLED TV range will start from 2,45,000 rupees. Now, the new thing about the 2018 QLED TVs is the introduction of ambient mode. With the ambient mode, users can convert the QLED TV into a canvas, so the device isn't a black mirror on your wall anymore. The TV can mimic the pattern of the wall behind the TV to create a seamless view. Also, the TV will automatically show you the weather to reflect the weather, whether it's sunny, raining, or snowy. The 2018 QLED TVs also come with an invisible connection whereby through a single hardly visible cable, you can transmit data as well as power. So using this robust, high-speed and future-proof cable, as Samsung puts it, you can put the TV wherever you want and all the connected devices can be stacked away separately where it can be reached through this one connect cable. The QLED TVs also offer S-Voice and not Bixby in India, and Samsung says that a lot of R&D would have been required to ensure Bixby works well in India. The QLED TVs also come with the SmartThings app that can connect the TV to other IoT-enabled devices for syncing and sharing content, sending notifications, mirroring screens, and sound. There will be 8 models of the QLED TV in 2018 for you guys to choose from. We will get you our review of this device really soon. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.